Still battling bulky bags, exploding zippers, and tired wheels on every trip? When your luggage drags you down, delays your flight check-in, or won't fit in the overhead bin, it turns what should be an adventure into a hassle. The right carry-on does more than just hold your clothes. It glides smoothly, fits airline limits, and lasts for years. In this video, I'll share the top 5 carry-on luggage options that combine smart design, durability, and travel-friendly features, so you can pack with confidence and roll through the airport like a pro. So, without any delay, let's get started. And taking the top spot as our number 1 pick, the Samsonite Freeform Hardside carry-on luggage. This suitcase is a frequent flyer's dream. Samsonite is known for quality, and the Freeform takes it to the next level with its ultra-light, ultra-strong shell that withstands the roughest baggage handling. It features 360-degree spinner wheels for smooth rolling in any direction, a TSA-approved combination lock, and an expandable design for those just one more outfit moments. Inside, you'll find a fully lined interior with cross straps and a zippered divider, keeping your belongings perfectly in place. The recessed handle system is sturdy and ergonomic, providing superior control, while its modern design turns heads in the terminal. Travelers rave about how effortlessly it maneuvers and how durable it remains after years of flights. Simply put, the Samsonite Freeform is the gold standard of carry-on luggage. At number 2, we have the SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage, a traveler's favorite known for its organization and flexibility. Unlike hardshell options, this Softside carry-on is made from durable polyester fabric that's resistant to wear and tear while offering more flexibility when packing. It features multiple front pockets, ideal for quick access to travel documents, chargers, or snacks, plus a spacious interior with tie-down straps and zippered mesh pockets to keep everything secure. The 360-degree spinner wheels and push-button retractable handle ensure smooth movement, even through crowded terminals. What travelers love most is its expandable capacity and lightweight build, making it easy to fit in overhead bins without breaking your back. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, the SwissGear Sion delivers that perfect blend of comfort, smart storage, and trusted quality. Landing at number 3 is the Amazon Basics 21-inch Hardside carry-on, a surprisingly tough and efficient suitcase from a brand known for practicality. Built with extra-thick ABS hardshell material, it offers impressive durability and resistance to scuffs and dents. The fully lined interior features a divided design with a 150D polyester organizer and compression straps, perfect for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free and in place. Its 4 double spinner wheels glide effortlessly, and the extendable handle provides smooth control through busy airports. Another major plus is its expandable feature, allowing for more packing space when needed, ideal for that last-minute souvenir haul. This carry-on proves that you don't have to spend big to get a high-performing, stylish suitcase that keeps up with frequent travel. Simple, sturdy, and dependable. It's the no-fuss choice for everyday flyers. At number 4, we have the LUGGEX carry-on luggage, a suitcase built for modern travelers who want both style and strength. This carry-on is made from impact-resistant polycarbonate, giving it a sturdy shell that can take airline abuse while still looking polished. It features ultra-smooth spinner wheels and a retractable aluminum handle, making airport navigation effortless. Inside, you'll find 2 spacious compartments, compression straps, and zippered pockets that help you stay organized even on longer trips. One standout feature is the expandable design, adding up to 15% more packing capacity when you need extra space. The TSA lock keeps your belongings safe, while the scratch-resistant finish ensures it stays looking new. For travelers who want a sleek, durable, and expandable case that fits overhead bins perfectly, the LUGGEX delivers a first-class experience at an economy price. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Coolife Luggage, a perfect blend of affordability, durability, and modern style. This hardside spinner suitcase is made from ABS plus PC material, giving it impressive impact resistance while keeping it lightweight enough to glide effortlessly through the terminal. It comes with 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels, a TSA-approved lock, and a fully lined interior with organized compartments to keep your clothes neat and secure. What really sets Coolife apart is its value. You get the feel and function of a premium suitcase without the premium price. The ergonomic telescopic handle ensures smooth maneuvering, and the sleek design makes it look far more expensive than it is. If you want a reliable, stylish carry-on that won't break the bank, the Coolife is a clear winner for casual and frequent travelers alike.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!